This is a rainstorm that we're having today, and it's pretty crazy actually. Like, the water is about up to my calves, and there's a whirlpool forming here. So I'm just gonna
weather forecast
step in here.
Thomas, what do you think's
This
going
is
on?
crazy. I think that there is a I don't know, but this, wow, like, it's crazy. Like, look how close that is to my boots, and my iPod's getting soaked. All right, we're continuing. Just gotta there. Yeah, all right. I'm making my way over to try and save the neighbor's garbage because it's kind of trapped in a whirlpool right now. All right. Holy crap! Holy crap! I can't, it's heavy. I know I am, but... Oh my god! I got all of my boots! My socks are ruined! No! No! Alright. Well, that concludes this weather episode. Oh, my feet are freezing! And my calves are, oh goodness. Oh god. Oh, they're so cold. They're so cold. Oh.
Hey guys,
Ah.
get up to grass.